Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add an audio file in Google Forms. This is a great way to create music quizzes, language tests, or any survey that requires people to listen to something before answering. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to forms.google.com. You'll need to log in with your credentials if you haven't already. This takes you straight to your Google Forms dashboard where you can create and manage all your forms. Once you're in, click on Blank Form to start creating a new form from scratch. This gives you a clean slate to work with and opens up the form editor where you can begin building your questions. Now you'll see a default question with a drop-down menu set to multiple choice. Click on that drop-down menu and select Short Answer instead. This question type works perfectly for audio questions because it allows respondents to type in their answers after listening to the audio. Next, click on the text that says Untitled Question at the top. This is where you'll enter your actual question. Type in something like, "What is the title of this song?" or whatever question fits your audio content. Make sure your question is clear so respondents know exactly what they're supposed to identify or answer after listening. Here's where the audio integration happens. At the bottom of your question box, you'll see several icons. Click on Insert Link. This is the tool we'll use to embed your audio file into the question itself, making it accessible to anyone filling out the form. A dialog box will pop up with two fields. In the first field, enter text to display. This is the clickable text that respondents will see, for example, type audio or listen here or click to play. This text acts as a button that links to your audio file. Now navigate to the second field labeled Link To. This is where you'll paste your audio link. Make sure you have your audio file uploaded somewhere accessible like Google Drive, Dropbox, or any other hosting service that provides a direct link. Paste the full URL into this field. Once both fields are filled in, click OK to confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully added an audio file to your Google Form question. Respondents will now see your clickable text, and when they click it, they'll be able to listen to the audio before answering your question. This makes your forms much more interactive and versatile for different types of content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.